If you want to succeed to the next generation, you have to work on your business. Not just in your business, but on your business. I'm Bart Beattie. I'm from central Nebraska, Sumner, Nebraska, here in Dawson County. I am a fifth generation here at Beattie Family Farms, farm with my wife, Shanna, and my father, Jeff, and my mom, Nanette. We have a diversified farming operation, corn, soybeans, cow-calf operation, backgrounding operation, and we're involved in the swine business as well.
When Bart and I were first married, it was 3 generations, his grandfather, his father, and himself. And now we have 4 children. They're the 6th generation on this farm.
I have 3 younger siblings. What's been really cool is that we've all been so interested in coming back to the family farm and so passionate about our legacy, but we all kind of have a different part of the farm that we're interested in. And we're all able to learn from each other with our experiences and those, different things that we've chose to be a part of.
Right now I'm at the University of Nebraska studying animal science, and I really fell in love with the livestock industry, especially the beef industry. What I've been able to do through college is start taking control of some of our cow inventory management practices. It's a good way for me to stay involved with the farm even though I'm still in school right now.
I've always known since I was a little kid that I wanted to come back on the farm and do what my dad's doing and do what our whole family's been doing for 100 and almost 20 years.
My family's been here since 1906. I'm so lucky that I'm hopefully going to have my brother and some of my sisters alongside me as we come into this operation and take it over one day.
But by the grace of God, we'd have never had any of this. It was important to my dad, and it's important to me to continue to see this go on.
When I go back and start thinking of all the memories that we've had on the farm, the opportunities and the way we've just had blessings to be a part of stewarding the land. And
it's been a good life.
It's been a really good life.
UnCommon Farms is a big part of us being where we're at today, because you need to be able to come up with a plan so that the family farm doesn't get sold and rebought every generation. You need somebody that looks at the whole picture from every angle.
I talk to our coach every other week. That accountability really helps us be grounded in what direction we're trying to head.
They're very present among each generation that is represented in our organization and trying to make sure they have the resources and they're gleaning benefit from UnCommon Farms as well.
We're part of an organization that is striving to see the next generation be successful in farming for generations to come. That's true passion, and that is something worth investing in.